Welcome to HYPERSTOCK. Click on Dashboard and go to Categories. Tap on any SKU category. From here, you can edit or delete your existing SKU category. Tap here to add new SKU category. Add SKU details and tap on Add. Inside location, you can find every stock locations. Tap on any location. From here, you can edit or delete your location. Tap here to add new location. Add details and tap on Add Location. In Suppliers, you'll find all your suppliers. Go to any suppliers. From here, you can edit or delete your suppliers. From here, you can add new SKU suppliers.